So, when are you shifting to your new house? Well, very soon. Only signing the check is left. Have you inspected the house properly? It is your dream house after all. I have taken a look at the place and everything looks great. And I trust the property dealer. Without an official inspection you will be buying a pig in a poke. You need to be sure about what you are buying. There could be a lot of issues. So, please get a thorough inspection done. Thank you for your advice, I will surely implement it.
So, what did you buy for your mom on Mother's Day? Well, I bought her a brand new mobile phone. I bought it online, for just Indian rupee 5,000. I believe you went through the product description properly before buying it. No, I didn't read the description. Why? The deal seems too good to be true. It seems unlikely that such low prices for the quality we need are possible. You think I was sold a pig in the poke? I just hope that's not the case.